So the next one here, I'm going to find the area of this. The front area, I'm going to take slices of, and every surface is going to be a t. So I'm going to have 10 here, 14 here. So my total surface of that T shape on the front is going to be 24 centimeters squared. Okay, so my volume, I'm going to calculate by the area times the thickness. The thickness in this case is going to be 2 centimeters. So I'm going to do 2 centimeters of thickness, and that's going to give me a total volume of 48 centimeters squared times centimeters gives me cubes. Okay, so that's how we generate the volume. The surface area, again, we want to make sure that we account for all the surfaces. I'm going to do it this way. There's the top, and there's my T. Okay, I know that's going to be 24 and 24. Okay, that top is going to be 2 by 7 or 14. And then I got to make sure I get all those other surfaces. Okay, so there's the ends. Okay, here's going to be the underneath. Here's going to be along the side, and then the bottom piece there. Okay, so the bottom is going to be 2. That's 2 by 2, 2 by 2. These are all 2 by 2s. This width here, since it's too wide here, it should be 2.5 on this side and 2.5 on this side. So underneath pieces are 2.5 times 2, so it's going to be 2.5 times 2 is 5. This surface going up is going to be 10 and 10. Okay, again, adding these all up. Just make sure that you're organized adding this all up. Now you may organize your work differently, which is perfectly fine. I'm going to add those as 48. Okay, so I've got 19, 33, 37, 42, 52, 56. 56 plus 48 is going to give me 104 centimeters squared. So there's my surface area. Okay, so my volume was 48 cubes, surface area is 104 squares. Okay, so same thing here. I'm going to find the surface area here. That's going to be 48. That's 4 times 8. That triangle up top is going to be a 4 by 8 triangle. So it's going to be 4 times 8 divided by 2, or 16. So again, this is a prism. So I can take every slice is going to be that shape there. So the volume of this object is going to be that area, which is 64 squares. Okay, and multiply that by the depth. Again, the depth I'll do in green is going to be that depth there of 5 centimeters. Okay, so the volume works out to be 320 cubes. Okay, so there's my volume. My surface area is going to be the front, the bottom, and the back. We already figured out that these are 64. Okay, I've got a side piece. And I have 2 roof pieces here, and here. Okay, so this is going to be a 5 by 8 or 40 squares in there. I know these side pieces are 6 tall and 5 deep, so these are going to be 30 and 30. Now here, this is where I have to use some Pythagoras, because I don't know this edge length. And I'll draw it in red. I don't know this edge length. Okay, so to find out that edge length, I need to use that 4 centimeters here and 4 centimeters here. So that's going to be 4 squared plus 4 squared is 32. So square root 32. And this is going to be a width of 5. So square root 32 times 5. I'm just going to leave it as 5 square root 32. Okay, this is also going to be 5 square root 32. So adding up all those surfaces, I'm going to keep the exact value in here, so 64 and 64. Plus 40, plus 30, plus 30. Okay, so this is going to be 128, 168, plus 60 is 228. Okay, and then the square root areas are going to be 5 and 5, so it's going to be 10 square root 32. Okay, as a decimal approximation when we work this out, so this is perfectly fine. In fact, exact values are much better. So that's my surface area in exact value. When I work that out, 228 plus 10 root 32, I'm getting 284. This is approximately equal to 284.57 centimeters squared. Okay, these are both centimeters squared because we're talking surface area.